there's a new queue line here for treetop hoppers, and you saw our other Chessington video. We said that things might be turned around, and it looks like it has, facing the jungle area. They've made this queue line a lot better because it used to be like down there, but now it's in, wait, is that the queue line for this? Yeah. Oh. It's a lot longer than I thought it would be. That's pretty weird. So here's where the new drop tower will be. Probably open next year or maybe later this year. It's where Rameses was, and the fence right here looks really bland. Could have done some decoration for this. You reckon? I think they are going to do decoration because they're still building the. Wait, is this the? What's it called? Drop tower. Yeah, is this where the drop tower is going to be? Yeah. But I think they are going to eventually get rid of this and put the theme around though. So here's the drop for the log flume, as you can see right here. It's quite small, isn't it? That thing's tiny. So, will you go on that? Yeah. Right here would be the new entrance for the rainforest. Quite nice actually. There is water in there. It's got quite a small drop. There are boats, cards. Looks like there's a long queue line as well. Now, I like the Toon Master queue line for two reasons. One, it's good for like seeing new stuff. Two, it smells like chicken.
Have you heard? The premonitions have come true. The ancient priest has been served.
Do you know what that said?
It's now time to remove the special blasters. You're our only hope.
Chessington made a very good improvement with it. One slight problem, it's not really like a family attraction anymore. I got horrified by that. It was so scary. Still a good ride though, I guess. There was some new stuff, some stuff that was already there, but overall, Chessington, well done with Tomb Blaster. Definitely made it better. Still can't bear the smell of chicken though. Oh, that's good. This will be the name for the new ship. Down there. Okay, so when we went to Chessington a few weeks ago, we still see some of this. For example, the dirt wasn't there. The hole's been filled in, as you can see, right there. The ship is still not in. Don't know if the station was. But yeah, they're getting closer. Hopefully it'll be open this year. Down there is the beat. It's actually that area here looks like the view is closed off. Don't know why. I'm guessing it's black in here, but it's probably open in the spring or summertime. Seesaw. I found that kind of rough. Yeah, I think I prefer like the ones at Legoland and Ocean Towers more than that. Like I forgot what it's called, like Rocky Run or something like that. It was quite tense. I enjoyed my sleep on that. You just sleep when we're going backwards. I was screaming. Don't know if, yeah. Just go to the next slide, I guess. So, the new refurbished flying jumbos, yeah, they did get refurbished. They don't go that high still though. You can still do what you can usually do. It's just basically move. Nothing's really changed. Oh well. It's a nice improvement, I guess. Just to do more stuff, at least. So if you haven't watched that video yet, the last one, I predicted that this would be the entrance right here by Giant Jumbos, and I'm correct. It was Giant Jumbos entrance right here. This bit here has changed from Shrek Swamp to this. Space of 1 month, I guess. Like 3 weeks. Yeah, nearly 1 month. These things here were never here before. I mean, they might have been, but I never saw them. I think these are new though. So fast, and Jonah didn't get us. He's just on the camera right now. And Jonah, we crashed him so much times, and at the end we crashed Mason, and then we were so happy. Forever! Then Jonah was sad for life. Bye. say my favourite bit of the ride is that on the second drop, at like the top bit, we just come off the lift hill, there's like this little bump bit. Oh, I love that bit. I think the first drop actually makes you more wet than the second drop. That's what happened with me though. One of them took a hotel, one of them. This is near Galleon. Down here is flying jumbos, and then he's gone that way. If I was past this way, we already knew about it. That would have been so much easier. Okay, Chessington, you've definitely done something good here. Vampire queue line. We've got a new path and a queue line. This area here is blocked off. Can't really see any changes at the moment. So maybe just this. I don't know if they're always there. I think that's it. Is this new, Mace? Inside the tunnel now, they've gotten rid of the roof right now, so it's actually quite short. That danger sign's new. I think that's really it for the new queue line. Just did tiny truckers right now in the rain. I mean, I was kind of got squished. My head was on the roof. My feet had like no leg room. Pleasant experience for me. So we had a lovely day here at Chessington. At the beginning of the day it was kind of busy. Then it got more quiet.